Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sean TV. You feel me? We back at it again with another video. And as y'all can see, we got the big Hellcat in the back. So I just got it cleaned up yesterday. So you feel me? Y'all see that bit sparkling? Y'all see that sun reflecting off that paint? You feel me? If y'all don't know, man, what this is? Oh, a little dirt. It better be. Yeah, a little dirt. We'll wipe that off. But as y'all can see from the last video, we did install the gloss black rear diffuser on that bit. And as I must say, that bit do look good as hell. You feel me? And if y'all want to see how to install it and where to get it from, go watch my previous video. I got the installation and where to pick it up from. So go check that video out. But in today's video, we're going to be doing a POV for y'all boys. As y'all can see, it's sunny outside. And it's the Magic City Classic weekend in Alabama. So we just going to drive around, you feel me, in the street. We ain't going to act a fool in there. We just going to drive around, let y'all hit that supercharger, let y'all see me driving. You feel me? That's it. So we finna go ahead and hop in the whip right now. All right, y'all, so you feel me? The first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put that bit in custom mode and cut that traction all the way off. All right, we in the game now. Now we gonna go ahead and whip that bit. And if y'all mind, please like, comment, subscribe, you feel me? Hit that post notification bell so your boy can go ahead and get monetized. I've been trying to grind hard for y'all. I dropped like 5 videos this week on everything. So y'all know nobody who doing it like that. Trying to make sure y'all boy have something to watch throughout the week when y'all get out of work, you feel me, get out of school. You feel me, while y'all eating y'all food, you feel me, y'all can watch your boy cut up in that cat. See, that's why they been whining. Y'all gotta show some more support. I'm just playing, y'all. I appreciate everything y'all do for your boy. I still ain't got the RGB lights. Oh, I gotta put my seatbelt on. I still ain't got my RGB lights that I was supposed to be getting. Something had came up, you feel me? So your boy trying to make a little extra money so I don't be digging into my other accounts. You feel me? Your boy had to get that tag and they hit your boy upside the head. $2,400 for a tag. But they said that damn, what did they say? They said the reason why my tag was so expensive was because I bought my car from Georgia and I stay in Alabama. And the sales tax and shit was off and they didn't do something. They only wrote a check for $700. So that's why like my first initial startup for my tag was so expensive. But you feel me? Things happen. Ain't that big of a deal. That what come with it, goddamn. I can't drive behind this nigga. That boy fucking up the video, nigga. We trying to drive it behind me to be drove. We're gonna slow our ass down before we flip this hole. And if we flip the cat, there ain't no coming back on everything. This bitch gonna be done for. Let's push the ski mask up. should have took my hood off in that video. Damn, what's this smoke up here? Somebody just cut up, didn't it? Or somebody shit just blew up. We gonna make a left. We gonna go to the trenches. Damn, why all that water on the road? I ain't finna drive through that water. We'll see if we'll get some people to turn up on classes weekend. Oh shit! Back at it again with the weak ass roads. Damn, this is probably who we're cutting up. The Crown Vic boys out today. That 5-0 motherfucker. I guess we'll see here at this light. If I ain't go across that turn fast, that water would have made that bitch slip and slide. Damn. I guess I'll turn this way. No, I don't want to go that way. They might shoot at me. Come on, y'all. That boy cuss say him, but that bitch sound just like a V6. They don't sound like this. Y'all already know what this is. This Big Mama. Oh, my Mexicano about to hit me. Man, these niggas driving mighty slow for it to be the classics. Y'all niggas supposed to be going crazy. Man. I guess we'll make a right. I wonder where everybody at, or is the people even out? Let's see, there go the police. Do not bother me today. I ain't doing nothing wrong. Now my other videos, where I be signing in return, I can understand it. better stay over there, nigga. Damn, they got a police command sent out. They already know we finna get wicked. If y'all ain't from Alabama, the Magic City classes may sound good, but a lot of niggas gonna get their ass with cheese tonight. On everything, just the way it is. Y'all just pray that I don't get sweet cheese. I need to go ahead and go underground tuning. I need y'all to let me slide through. Damn, somebody tore this shit up. Boy, getting them car clean for the classics. Pothole. Here go my brothers right here, the Challenger brothers. I thought they had a roadblock off. That's a clean ass Impala. I do want one of them to build. That'd be clean as hell. Like a little old school type shit. It seems like there's a lot of people down there. I wonder how I get over there. I don't even know what the fuck classic really do. What are they doing? Like, I don't even know all these people outside. They're just waving their hand at me. We're in the projects now. Damn, why is the caution tape over there? I'm trying to figure out if there's some people died last night. I know somebody that got shot because they were trying to pay with counterfeit money. But people be looking so hard at their car. Like, what if bro driving a spaceship? Hell yeah. Big Short went at him. Big Short went at him. Now, really, I'm gonna ram bruh over. What up? Damn, look at the police force. They ready to take a nigga to jail. I'm gonna turn my ass around. Yeah, I did gonna conclude this video, y'all. I done got caught in the damn traffic jam. But if y'all don't mind, please like, comment, subscribe, you feel me? Hit the post notification bell. Oh, what's up? Hit the post notification bell, you feel me? Watch the whole video throughout. And till next time, that's it. Peace.